Hi, this is John with WTI, and this has been the heavy hitter for my mom's phone for already years, one or two. This is the Galaxy S20 FE. And one of the things that I've liked from here is like how speedy, how reliable, and at the same time has a great overall experience as a phone. So having a phone that is gonna help your mom see her Netflix, watch her videos, shoot her videos, and filling this phone with a lot of pictures that is just going to be like flowers or her doing her stuff. And she's always had no problem with this phone. High responsive rate when it comes to the screen, great colors, great overall experience for her. So it has always been a heavy hitter from her for her since day one. So a phone that is reliable and has a great software experience for Samsung, it's always going to be a great option. So this was John with all the TI, and that's my point of view.